Hello, welcome to the Great Garden channel. Is your peace lily plant dry, drooping, and looking lifeless? Don't worry, in today's video, I will share with you a completely new method with very simple formulas, using only ingredients available in the kitchen that anyone can easily make at home. When applied correctly, you will see your plant gradually recover clearly. The leaves become greener, thicker, and shinier. The plant begins to grow more new leaves and develop more strongly, and if cared for well, peace lily flowers can bloom again, more beautifully white and longer lasting. If you are new to loving plants, don't forget to subscribe to the Great Garden channel so you won't miss any simple and useful plant care tips. Let's get started. I saw a dry peace lily plant with drooping leaves and it looked very lifeless. Perhaps that is why its owner threw it away here. But for me, plants like this can still completely live again, and can even become lush and bloom again if they are cared for properly. Let's take this plant home and try to save it. I will restore it step by step to see whether the plant can become green and healthy again. First, I will check the entire roots, stem, and leaves of the plant to see its current condition. This inspection helps determine whether the roots are rotten, whether the stem is still healthy, and which leaves are damaged and need to be removed. After observing carefully, I will cut off the dry leaves, yellow leaves, or damaged roots to help the plant focus its nutrients on the healthy parts. This is a very important step to help the plant recover faster and limit the development of fungal diseases. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. The next step, I rinse the plant under clean running water. Washing the plant helps remove the old soil layer, dirt, and impurities attached to the roots, and also helps us observe the condition of the root system more clearly. Thanks to that, you can easily detect rotten, damaged, or weak roots and remove them in time. This step also helps the roots become cleaner before replanting, creating conditions for the plant to recover and grow better. Then place the plant in a dry and airy place so the roots can drain and dry naturally for a while. This step helps the cut areas or newly cleaned roots have time to dry, limiting fungi and bacteria from entering. During the waiting time, I prepare organic fertilizer for the plant. Do you have rice at home? Rice contains a lot of starch, vitamins, and natural minerals that are very good for plant growth. Add 3 spoons of rice into a blender. Next, I use bay leaves. Bay leaves contain many essential oils and natural compounds that help fight bacteria, limit fungal diseases, and help protect the plant from some harmful factors. Add 3 bay leaves into the blender. Then close the lid and blend it thoroughly so the nutrients in the leaves are released better. Blending helps the essential oils and natural compounds in bay leaves dissolve more easily, thereby increasing the effectiveness when used for plants. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. After blending, we will obtain a mixture like this. Pour the mixture into a clean glass cup, like in the video. Next, add about 500 milliliters of hot water into the cup to make the solution. Hot water helps the nutrients and essential oils from the bay leaves dissolve better, creating a natural solution that is beneficial for the plant. Use a spoon to stir the mixture well so the nutrients from the bay leaves dissolve into the water. Stirring helps the essential oils and natural compounds from the bay leaves spread evenly in the solution. At the same time, this step also makes the solution richer in nutrients, helping the plant absorb better and recover more strongly. Finally, close the lid and let the solution rest for 1 hour. After 1 hour, the nutrients from the bay leaves will gradually dissolve into the water, creating a natural nutrient solution. At this point, you only need to gently shake the cup so the solution mixes evenly. Then filter out the residue, keeping only the liquid solution. This liquid contains nutrients extracted from the bay leaves and can be used to care for the plant. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. After this step, I add 1 liter of clean water at room temperature to dilute the solution. Diluting helps make the nutrient concentration lighter and safer for the plant, preventing root shock or nutrient overload. Now, pour the rice and bay leaf solution into a cup, like in the video. Next, soak the peace lily plant for about 15 minutes so that the roots are submerged in the solution. Soaking the roots in this solution helps them absorb natural nutrients from the rice and bay leaves, while also helping clean the roots and stimulate stronger root growth. Then I use a soft cotton pad, dip it into the rice and bay leaf solution, and gently wipe the surface of the plant leaves. Wiping the leaves helps remove dust and residue on the surface, keeping the leaves clean and well ventilated. At the same time, the natural nutrients from rice and bay leaves also help nourish the leaves, making them greener, healthier, and improving the plant's photosynthesis ability. During that time, I prepare the planting soil for the plant. First, wear gloves to maintain hygiene and protect your hands when working with soil. Next, I prepare a pot like in the video. Use 50% garden soil in the pot, then add 50% coconut coir. Then mix these two growing media together well to create a loose soil mixture that retains moisture well, while still ensuring good aeration for the roots, helping the plant grow healthier after planting. Now we have the planting soil for the peace lily. After 15 minutes, when the peace lily plant has absorbed enough, I take the plant out of the rees and bay leaf solution. Then use a clean paper towel to gently dry the entire plant, especially the roots and the stem. This step helps remove the remaining water on the surface, keeping the plant drier and reducing the risk of fungal diseases or root rot before replanting. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Next, we come to a very important step, planting the plant into a new pot. First, prepare a planting pot, like in the video. Then spread a layer of soil at the bottom of the pot so that the soil layer is thick enough to create a stable base for the plant and give the roots space to grow. Next, place the plant in the center of the pot, keep it upright, and add more soil around the base. Gently press the soil just enough to secure the plant, helping the roots contact the soil well while still keeping the necessary looseness. When finished, the plant is stable in the pot and ready for the next stage of recovery and growth. Next, prepare a cup like in the video, making sure the mouth of the cup is wide enough to place the plant pot inside. Then place the newly planted pot into the cup. I will use the remaining solution to water the base of the newly planted peace lily. This solution helps provide an additional amount of natural nutrients to the growing medium, supporting the roots to grow stronger and absorb water better. When the roots stabilize, the leaves gradually become greener, thicker, and naturally glossy, helping the peace lily grow steadily and maintain its fresh appearance over time. The excess water will flow down to the bottom of the cup and remain there. Thanks to that, the plant can slowly absorb water from below through the roots, helping maintain stable moisture without making the soil waterlogged. This method is called semi-hydroponic planting, helping the roots always have enough moisture, and it is very suitable for busy people. Now we have finished planting the plant. Place the plant in a dry and airy place, avoiding direct sunlight. Results after 2 months. From a plant that was almost dry and abandoned on the street, the plant has now clearly recovered and started growing again. The root system has begun to grow many new roots. The roots are bright white, thick, and healthy, with fresh green root tips. This is a sign that the roots are functioning very well. These roots firmly attach to the soil layer, helping the plant absorb water and nutrients more effectively. As a result, the plant gradually stabilizes after replanting and has enough energy to continue growing. The leaves have also changed clearly over time. From drooping and lifeless leaves, they are now greener, thicker, and shinier than before. The leaf surface looks healthy, proving that the plant's photosynthesis process has improved, helping the plant produce more energy to nourish roots, stems, and new shoots. This shows that the plant is recovering well and gradually returning to a stable growth state. In addition, here is another plant that I also cared for using a similar method, and you can see that the plant has grown very well and has even produced flowers. This shows that if cared for properly, the plant can completely recover and grow healthy again. This is a well-deserved result for patience and proper care. When nurtured properly, the plant will respond with strong vitality and elegant beauty. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the Great Garden channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss simple and effective orchid care tips. See you again in the next videos on the Great Garden channel.